Welcome to the last part of PySparkDemo on Azure HDInsight cluster. In this video we are going to perform Dataframe operations on clustered environment. Let's now work with Dataframes in Azure cluster. Many operations on RDD are common for Dataframes as well. We have covered in detail the Dataframe operations in previous videos. Here we will look into few popular operations on cluster environment. Earlier we had loaded the CSV file from Azure storage provided by Azure. To see the type of CSV file variable, enter type CSV file. You can see it returns as Dataframe object. To get the count of number of rows in Dataframe, enter csvfile.count. If you want to know the column names of the Dataframe, enter csvfile.columns. Let's say we are interested to find the statistics of each column in the Dataframe, then enter csvfile.describe as shown. To find the number of unique entries in a column, enter csvfile.select column name. .distinct.count. If you want to drop duplicates in the Dataframe, type csvfile.select column name, .drop duplicates, .show. You can convert Dataframe into SQL table, and then query the table. Enter csvfile.register temp table, and then the table name of your choice. You can now type SQL queries by entering magic double %SQL. This command filters the table with system age less than 21. On execution, we see that graphical visualization UI is also shown. One can do quick visualization using it in Notebook. Let's plot the time series of actual temperature versus time. You can also register Dataframe into table within Python SQL context as shown. Finally, let's perform write operation from HDInsights into Azure storage. To save the text file, use Save as Text File function as shown, along with the path to storage. If you want to save a Parquet file, then convert it to RDD first, and then use Save as Text File function. One can also cross-convert files across different format and save as shown. This brings us to end of this topic on Azure HDInsights with PySpark. Next, we will see how to create clusters in GCP and Amazon. Hope you enjoyed the videos, and see you in the next video.